Let's take a quick look at how to use the holidays accordion on Toolkit.law. From Toolkit.law's homepage, go to the Self section and click on the Gifter page. Start by clicking the Holidays Accordion title bar to open and explore the tool. Here, you can enter a title for the holiday, set a gift budget, and note your gift ideas. You can also add helpful web links and include comments for reminders, preferences, or delivery notes. Once everything is entered, click Save to store your plan, or Clear to start fresh. You can edit, delete, download, or share your holiday gift plans at any time with your friends and family or even clients, making it easy to stay organized throughout the season. Whether you're planning gifts on holidays for family, friends, colleagues, or clients, this tool helps legal professionals stay thoughtful, prepared, and stress-free during the holidays. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Holidays Accordion.